Samsung is one of the leading manufacturers of smartphones and other electronic devices. To make the most out of your Samsung device, there are several secret codes that you can use. These codes allow you to access hidden features, diagnostic tools, and other useful functions that are not readily available in the device's standard settings. In this video, we will explore some of them. If it gets lost or stolen, to #0#. This code opens up a hidden diagnostic menu that allows you to test various hardware Samsung devices hardware components. 5. #741236. This code opens up a secret menu that allows you to configure various network settings, such as the signal strength, band selection, and network mode. 6. #7353. This code opens up a hidden diagnostic menu that allows you to test various functions of your Samsung device, such as the touchscreen, vibration, sensors, and speakers. 7. #7780. This code performs a factory reset on your Samsung device. This can be useful if you want to use your device with a different carrier or in a different country.